This one is haris. What is haris actually is like chicken, wheat, and salt. I think that's it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. मैं नाम बिलाल जुएद है. करते हैं आज का vlog start. So today I'm going to make हरीसा. हरीसे को तड़का लगाने लगा हूँ क्योंकि ये मैंने हरीसा बाय किया था yesterday. तो इसे कैसे लगाना है, ये मैंने चूल्हा लिया था यानी कि रूम में अगर बनाने के लिए. तो ये बिल्कुल हल्का सा है और ये आयरन रॉड बहुत जल्दी गर्म होते हैं इसके. तो इसको करता हूँ मैं अभी स्टार्ट. इससे मैं डालूँगा 0.5 पे और 5 में जो इसकी आग है काफ़ी तेज़ हो जाएगी. इस गेटिंग स्टार्ट हीटिंग अप. सो once it start I'm going to put this one on the top. तो जी सबसे पहले मैं इसके अंदर डालूँगा ऑयल. ये गया जी इसके अंदर ऑयल. और ऑयल के बाद इसके अंदर मैं डालूँगा अनियंस. थोड़ा सा हो जाए गरम. तो ये गए जी ऑनियंस. So as you can see is getting start. इसको थोड़ा सा नरम करना है सोते सोते. No, we're going to make this one a bit brown. So as you can see, it's red down. It's really hot. So we're going to leave this one. I'm going to leave this one for like a 5 minutes. Okay, so this one is haris. What is haris actually is like chicken, wheat, and salt. I think that's it. Yeah, they make like only like इसको पकाने में टाइम बहुत लगता है. So you need to put all in water. Then when is every single thing is tender, you need to like mash it. The mash, you need to mash this one like a perfectly. Then every single thing being like this. In Pakistan maybe some people they know about this thing, but in Dubai there are a lot of people they're eating this thing. Mostly it's like their traditional dish. So first after when this one is getting brown, and after I'm going to add all spices, then at the end I'm going to add this one. So this one is getting brown now. I need to do a little more brown. Then after you can add like a fresh also, but I'm going to use this tomato paste. Like 1 spoon is enough. And I will cook this one for like a 2 minutes more. Okay, so now I'm going to add inside this turmeric, and a little bit red chili, salt, and this is cumin seeds and coriander powder. Now I need to mix them well. Make the flame low. Okay, so as you can see now, the gravy is ready. I need to add some green chili inside also. So just like this. What we need to do now is adding harissa. For now, what I need to do is I just need to turn off this one a second, remove this one, and need to mix well because I cannot mix on the. Oh, I don't need to turn off. Later, still I need it. So as you can see, the harissa like this. If you eat without, you can also, but like this is gonna be like a little bit good. So this one is a main part. You need to mix well. Mix it. As you can see, this is all wheat. This one is wheat. Okay, so as you can see, it's like bubbling. So what I need to do, I need to squeeze like 2 lemons for khata meetha pan. This lemon I get from one of the kind lady. She's gave me from like उसने घर से उसके घर के थे लीमू. उसने मुझे कैट लीटर डोनेशन दी थी. और then this one 2 लेमन. इससे बड़ा यूनिक टेस्ट आता है. So this one is ready. You can eat this one with the तड़के वाले चावल and with the naan, with roti, or you can eat without roti also. As you can see, look the texture of this. So finish. जी ये तैयार है हमारी हलीम, मतलब हरीस, स्पाइसी हरीस. और इसे खाता हूँ और बताता हूँ. बिस्मिल्लाह. कसम से बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है. अगर आपको हरीस का पता है और इस तरह का तड़का लगा के आप खाएं, बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा. एनीवे गाइस, इसी के साथ आज का व्लॉग करते हैं ख़त्म. अगर आपको मेरा व्लॉग अच्छा लगे, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो नेवर गोना मिस माय वीडियो. Peace out, Allah Hafiz. Much love, much respect, and be safe.